Hello, I'm Kevin, Service Technician with Straight Up Solar, and I'm going to show you how to power cycle your in-phase system with an Envoy combiner box. First, you want to go outside and locate your AC disconnect. Switch it to the off position. Once you've done that, go inside and find your in-phase Envoy combiner box. There will be several breakers inside. Look for the communications breaker labeled Envoy. It's a 10 amp breaker. Flip it to the off position. If you don't have an Envoy combiner box and your communications is plugged straight into the wall, you just need to unplug it for this step. Wait 5 minutes and then turn your Envoy breaker back on or plug your communications device back into the wall. Turn your AC disconnect back on. It could take your system up to 10 minutes to fully power up and begin reporting again.